Atar Allecha. Spiced green pea puree. A side dish from Ethiopia. Serves
You
for.
will
need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Soak peas for 1 hour. Cook for ½ hour. Drain. Mash. Set aside. Step 2. In dry pan over moderate-low heat, stir-fry the onion and garlic for 2 minutes. Add oil and stir-fry 1 minute more. Step 3. Add the mashed peas, turmeric, salt, and chili. Mix well. Add the water and cook 3 to 4 minutes longer to reduce the mixture to a thick, green, well-spiced puree. This spread is served with warm injera. Culture, countries, travel.